Hi class 12, let's continue our class. So today we'll start new chapter. So far we have done chapter number 4, isn't it? So we are so late. Anyway, we have to do, we should do continue. Okay? So let's start chapter number 5, that is magnetism, magnetism and matter. Okay. So magnetism and matter in the this chapter is basically in the what magnet does, okay, and what are the physical property. Okay, just see. uh, Bar magnet we have to study, Gauss law, earth magnetism. Okay, so what we have to study? The bar magnet. Okay, the bar magnet. Next, Gauss law, magnetism and Gauss law, short topic. Magnetism and Gauss law. Okay, this Gauss law. Next topic is your earth magnetism, the earth magnetism. Earth behave as a magnet. Okay, so next, properties of magnetic properties of material. Okay, so magnetic properties of materials. Okay, so next topic, permanent magnets and electromagnets. See, these two topics are simple, and you know from class 10 also, isn't it? Yes. So today we'll start with some introduction. Hmm. Okay. So first we'll just go to the introduction, page number 174. Okay, there are the some of the commonly known ideas regarding magnetism are Q or behave as a magnet. Your चारटा points are, sorry, 5 points are there, you should write it. Okay, and before that we have this how Magnesium and magnet discover, and what Chinese did with this. Okay, just read it. Okay, सजिलो छ. Okay, एकखेप reading मात्रै गर्नु. Okay, so but important topic start from the bar magnets. Okay, so today we'll start with the bar magnets. Okay, so bar magnets, so the bar magnets, isn't it? So this is your bar magnet, isn't it, which comprise north pole and south pole, or it contains. Okay, this is your pole. Okay, pole of magnet, and this is the center of magnet. Okay, and this length we denote by L, and this length as a L, then whole length is your 2L. Okay, and we also know that pole strength is denoted by M, small letter M, right? So it is okay, so this is your bar magnet. Okay, so now if I see this bar magnet, and if I place in any way, it gives a magnetic field lines. Okay, so write down, magnetic field lines. So write down the magnetic field lines. So like in electrostatics, there is positive charge, isn't it, and negative charge. So electric field start from positive and ends at negative. Okay, so this is the charge. Okay, right? So likewise in magnet, see, this is a magnet. Okay, so already we know that the field lines or magnetic field lines start from north and ends at south. Okay, right, start and ends at south. Clear? inside the magnet it has south to north. Okay, यो चाहिँ याद राख्नु. Okay, so difference between electric field lines, these are called field lines, magnetic field lines, these are called electric field lines. So they may ask the difference between electric field lines and magnetic field lines. Difference is that it forms closed loop. Okay, it does not, electric field does not, but magnetic field forms close. Okay, so now let's see page number 157. So write down properties of magnetic field lines. Okay, so those are the properties. Okay, properties of magnetic field lines. Right, properties of magnetic field lines. So first property says that the magnetic field lines of magnet or solenoid forms continuous loop, isn't it? Continuous loop form गर्छ. So it forms closed loop. Closed loop. याद राख्नु ल. Magnetic field lines forms closed loop. So these lines are points are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So point wise lekha. Second, we have a tangent, isn't it? So this is your magnetic field lines. North to south. Okay, north to south. So if I want to see the direction of magnetic field, so you have to draw a tangent. Okay, and this tangent will give the direction of magnetic field. Okay, at this point. Okay, likewise at this point this is the direction. Okay, tangent will give the direction of a magnetic field at that particular point. Okay, next we have larger the number of field line crossing. Okay, so यो thought को बुझ्नु पर्छ ल. See, this is your magnet bar magnet. Okay, so this is your field lines, isn't it? If I draw like this, okay, see this region, see this region and this region. So inside the magnet, this region, so dense, isn't it? That means at this region the magnetic field is strength is greater than region 1. Okay, is greater than region 1. Then this region take us third region. Okay, so third region. Clear? So larger the number of this or concentrate, then the magnetic field is larger. Okay, dense देख्यो भने यहाँ के हुन्छ, magnetic field बेसी हुन्छ. Or you can see this one. मजाले बनाऊ है, यसलाई मजाले बनाऊ, you will understand. Clear? ठाडो बनाए diagram हेर अगाडि. See, there is a region, isn't it? So this is concentrate, this also concentrate. So this region got less magnetic field strength than this. Okay, strength is greater in this region. Like, understood? So next property is your magnetic field lines do not cross each other. This is very important. Okay, so this is your magnetic field and this is your another magnetic field. Okay, why they never cross each other? Okay, fourth matter, magnetic field lines do not intersect. Okay, why? Because if they intersect, then it got this is the direction of magnetic field and this is also a direction of magnetic field, isn't it? So at a point the direction is two direction, isn't it? Direction कतिवटा हुँदैछ, दुईटा हुँदैछ magnetic field को. So at a point direction of magnetic field should only one. Okay, एकपट्टि मा जानु पर्ने. Okay, so this contradicts. Okay, so this is why they do not cross each other. Okay. So next अझै पढौँ ल. यसमा अझै एक दुईवटा हालौँ ल, बुकहरुको अरु बुकहरु हेर्नु. Okay, so next what is there? Yes, fifth. So if I have magnet, so magnetic field lines is directly proportional with the pole strength. Okay, pole strength कति थियो, denoted by m, isn't it, small letter m. So larger the magnetic field lines, more the pole strength. Okay, बेसी field line छ भने के हुन्छ, pole strength के हुन्छ, बेसी नै हुन्छ. Okay, clear. So solenoid you know, isn't it? So solenoid, next topic is just solenoid छ यहाँनिर मजाले पढ. Okay, and dipole moment also you know, torque is there, isn't it? Right, so तिमीहरु के गर, 5.1 example 5.1 गर, 5.2 गर, 5.3. Okay, so this much for today's class. Okay, sorry, next we excuse me, next write down some diagrams of magnetic field lines. Okay, some diagram, okay, of magnetic field lines. Write down some diagram of magnetic field lines. So first see current, isn't it? Current is going like this. Then magnetic field lines. This is what the magnetic field lines, isn't it? Your right hand thumb rule. Okay, call the finger thumb. Okay, so this is the direction of magnetic field and this is current. Okay, right. So next, if I have current going like this, so what current is this? Current inward, isn't it? So magnetic field, so see this one, isn't it? Call finger will give you the field line. So at this point, what is the direction of magnetic field lines? Okay, let us see. At this, direction of magnetic field is like this, isn't it? And at this point, direction of magnetic field is like this. At this point, like this, like this. Okay, so homework dot ma garnu la त्यति. At this point, at this point, at this point, at this point. So if you join, then it will look like this. So these are the magnetic field lines. Okay. So now if I have a wire, loop wire. Okay, this is wire. Now if I have loop wire means close wire. Okay, so third, okay, so this is your loop wire. So if I take current like this, then what is the direction of magnetic field? See, माथि बाट हेर, यता जाँदैछ, isn't it? Yes or no? Thumb will give direction. This side coming out, isn't it? This is the direction of magnetic field. This is the direction of magnetic field. Okay, and मुनि बाट हेर उल्टा जाँदैछ. So this is the direction of magnetic field. Okay, so from here we have this type, isn't it? Closed loop, isn't it? So it behave as a magnetic dipole, isn't it? Like your magnet, isn't it? Circular well or loop, current carrying loop, current carrying loop behave as magnet, isn't it? Behave as magnet. Okay, so so if you want to find strength, then I can draw so many lines like this. So this is like this, this is like this, here also we have this, isn't it? So this is region 1 and this is region 2. कुछ basis is strength, so this got the more strength. Okay, अघिको topic पनि पढिया छ तिमी. So this much for today. So तिमीहरु के गर, बार म्याग्नेट एज अ सोलिनोइड यो गरिहेर, भएन भने मलाई भन्नु ल. देन डाइपोल मोमेन्ट इन ए युनिफर्म म्याग्नेटिक फिल्ड यो त गरेको छ. डाइपोल मोमेन्ट कति हुन्छ, mb. ओके, सो यो इक्जाम्पल 5.1 5.2 5.3 गर. ओके, दिस टाइम तिमीहरुलाई सजिलै आओस् होला. ओके, so this much for today's class. So stay home, stay safe. So thank you class.